Hey everyone, my name is Tina and I am one of Best Buy's certified personal trainers, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Fitbit Charge 5. So I'm going to open it up here. All right, first impression as I am holding it, the wristband is super soft and silky. All right, so this is Fitbit's most advanced health and fitness tracker. So I'm gonna try putting this on and just seeing what it feels like here. So very easy to loop through and clasp and push that piece through. And yeah, it feels very comfortable. It looks very sleek. So let's see what else is in the box. All right, so it looks like here we have your power adapter. It looks like a bigger size wristband. So you do have the option to choose which fits better. I'm gonna actually take this up for 1 second and show you how this charger attaches. It's kind of foolproof. So you are just gonna clasp it on the back. It has that magnet, so it attaches really nice and easy. And once you plug this into any USB source, you are good to go. And it has up to 7 days of battery life. Another great feature on this watch is you have the option to join Fitbit Premium. And with the Fitbit Premium membership, basically the membership helps you get the most out of your watch. It helps you understand the numbers and the metrics that are coming in. It also gives you guided programs, and it gives you great workouts to choose from so you don't get bored. I personally like that just because I like to add variety to my workouts. It keeps me motivated, it keeps my body from plateauing, and it's a really nice feature. Another really cool feature about this watch is it can monitor your heart health. So it uses an ECG app to assess your heart and to see if you have AFib or any irregular heart arrhythmia. It also has built-in GPS, so you don't need your phone with you. It tracks your pace and your distance. So if you're training for a half marathon, if you're out jogging or just for a walk, you have all your metrics right there on your wrist. All right, that is the Fitbit Charge 5. My name is Tina with Best Buy. I'll see you next time.